Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the operating system and creating a quick restore point so you can revert if needed. Open Settings, then Personalization, and immediately go to Colors. This is where the theme and app mode are set. You do this because system-wide dark themes and app-specific dark modes are controlled here. Once there, switch the default Windows mode if it's set to dark, and keep an eye on which option affects system elements versus apps. Next, set Choose Your Color to Light to flip system UI and most supported apps from dark to light. This is the core action. Then, you must inspect major apps because browsers and Office can override system settings with their own theme options. Change them inside each app's appearance or theme menu. Make sure accessibility settings like high contrast or color filters are off because they can mimic dark modes. Once done, log out or restart if some apps still show dark colors. To finish, restart your HP laptop so the system and apps refresh their display caches and fully apply the light theme. If dark elements persist, inspect the graphics driver control panel. Some drivers provide color profiles or night mode toggles that override Windows. Update your GPU drivers next, and make sure HP-specific utilities like Command Center are not enforcing a dark theme. If nothing works, use the restore point you made or run a settings reset to revert theme configurations as the final troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.